what is the force? See, compare. Force is equal to how much is there? Please tell me. Mass into acceleration.
Acceleration.
Correct? Torque. Torque mass will not come. It is come here moment of inertia.
Moment of inertia. Okay.
Yes.
Moment of inertia is going to be
Into one second, let me complete. Then I will take your question. Just if you just one, give me 5 minutes uninterrupted. Okay, please.
Okay, okay.
Okay. See, moment of inertia of the turntable means moment of inertia depends not only on the mass, but where this axis is fixed. Where this axis is fixed. Like this one, you see me now. Suppose this is a notebook. Correct now? I have just put my center of the rotation here, correct? And I want to rotate like this one, correct?
Okay.
Now
Yes.
suppose I will put the axis like this one. See my fingers, and I can rotate like this one.
Okay.
So it depends on the axis of rotations where I want to rotate this table. Is it clear? See, we can rotate like this, na?
Okay.
So now suppose I will give one example. Suppose you are having your home is having door or not. Your every
So you said torque is moment of inertia on acceleration?
no, that is the angular acceleration alpha.
Okay.
See,
Okay.
the alpha A is compared with angular acceleration, mass will be compared with moment of inertia. Very
Okay.
similar way.
Okay.
Now what is the alpha? Alpha is the angular acceleration, you know that. Acceleration, what they are doing? Increasing the speed or decreasing the speed. Am I right or not? See, when you are applying a force, what happen? Its speed is increasing or decreasing.
Yes, yes.
Similarly, torque, when you applied, what happen? What it will be increase or decrease? Its angular velocity will,
Velocity.
because
Okay.
they are linear velocity here, angular velocity.
Yes, yes.
See, so similar is there. Correct, na? Then what is the angular momentum?
Angular momentum.
Hmm.
1 second.
See, linear
It's going to be
momentum,
angular velocity on mass.
not mass. We will use everywhere this now moment of inertia. I.
Moment of inertia. Okay.
I into, please tell me,
I into
omega.
velocity. Omega. Yes.
Velocity, which
Uh,
velocity?
Angular velocity.
Yeah. I into angular velocity. Is it clear? Now please tell me fast what will be the unit of this one torque. Mass unit, force unit is how much?
First unit Newton.
Newton. Good. What is the torque unit?
Torque unit.
Hmm?
I
See,
don't know.
moment of inertia unit is mass into distance square, r square, into alpha, angular acceleration. Angular acceleration means,
Can you just wait 1 second? Just
yeah,
1 second, because there's some sound. Like, just 1 second,
yeah,
please.
yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. See, torque unit is Newton meter.
Newton and meter.
Yeah.
Wait, can you explain meter? Moment of inertia is meter on r square.
No, not meter, mass.
Oh,
Mass,
sorry, mass on
r square, distance
radius.
square. Yeah,
Radius.
moment of inertia I will teach you. It is a very big topics. For that very big topics, moment of inertia. Okay. Please, just you, I will teach. Means it is take 1 or 2 class. Okay. First, I will create the interest why it is we are studying. See, why I'm topics, this is the first you should understand why we are studying these topics. Okay, so please tell me torque unit is Newton meter, correct?
Okay.
Similarly, angular momentum is I omega. What is
Wait, can I ask you? So, angular acceleration is going to be angular acceleration is meter is going to be. I'm just. How is it going to be meter per second square also?
no. We are angular measurement. What? How can we doing? Radian per
Radian
radian per second
square.
square. Yes.
Ah, okay, okay.
Because
Instead of
you
okay.
compare one by one. See, one you listen. One make one table here. Very simple table. Okay. Here linear. Here angular. Okay. Linear means, please tell me, velocity. Linear, first of all, displacement.
This D.
Displacement x. Or I will write displacement. Here angular displacement. Correct na? Here angular displacement. What is that angular displacement? Angular displacement.
What is angular displacement?
Yeah, how you will measure? It is measured in
In
theta.
radian.
Radian, correct. Radian means angle. Correct? Velocity. How you will measure here? Meter per.
Meter per second.
Here radian.
Radian per second.
Yeah. What is the relation between these two? Linear and angular. Please understand. Relation also you please understand. How you relation. If x,
Relation is
see,
velocity of linear velocity to angular is going to be a meter per radian.
no. See, x is displacement and angular displacement. How it is related? X is equal to theta into r. Please understand.
Okay.
V and omega. How it is related? V is equal to omega into r. Acceleration.
Wait. V is equal to, okay. Omega into R, okay.
See, I am asking the comparison also and how they are interrelated. Is it clear?
Yes. I understand.
Acceleration a meter per second square. Then alpha radian per second square is equal to how much? Please tell me. A is equal. See,
A is equal to
R we are
R on
multiplying.
alpha.
Yes, alpha into R. Very good. Is it clear?
Yes, I understand now.
You understand? See, this is the radian unit. Now, omega is also velocity by meter per second. Correct, na? Divide by R, distance. So 1 by second. But it is theta. Since unit is not there, theta we have to take. Okay. Now you tell me. See here, linear. Not comparison is over. Force. Here, mass. See, mass I will take. In linear motion, what I will take?
kg.
Mass, kg. Please tell me in angular what I will take?
Moment of inertia.
Yes, moment of inertia.
So how is it it's I? What is it?
It is generally denoted by I or mi, moment of inertia. Some books it is writing I. I is the very useful word. Okay. It is the units. What is the units? M mass into distance square. Or is equal to mass unit is kg meter square. See, I formula I am not written here. Please note down here. This is the formula, depends on the situation to situation.
Yes, yes, I understand. I understand.
Okay.
Yes, yes, you're just writing the measurement, like how do you
Unit, find the units.
units? Yes.
Please understand. Okay.
So what is the so mass is equal to moment of inertia on R also, or it's not like that?
Yeah, the same thing. Now either you write R M R square. Okay.
M R square. Uh-huh.
R is what? R is the what? Radius, sometimes called radius, distance, or what? It depends on situation to situation. I will use that one when I will continuing the topics. Finishing, before finishing, we have to explain the moment of inertia in details. It is a very details, big topics. Itself is a one topic.
Okay.
Okay. Now tell me, the list is more. Moment, mass is over, then force is there. Please tell me, force is equal to how much here?
Newton.
Newton. Or you can say mass into acceleration. No problem. In the force in rotational motion,
Force in rotational motion is moment
torque.
torque.
Force is rotational motion is called as torque. The name changed.
So
Torque
it's moment of inertia on on alpha.
I times alpha. Is it clear? What is the relation between these two? See, everywhere R I am multiplying. See
Wait,
the
yeah, I wanted to ask you about moment of inertia. So mass is going to be equal I divided on R square.
mass I divide by R square. Yeah, you can tell. Yeah, you are right.
Uh-huh. Okay.
But don't write,
Okay.
because moment of inertia is depends on the object, vary from object to object. You are asking
Okay.
more questions on moment of inertia. I will teach you. Your all your doubts will be
Yeah,
clear.
I understand. I just like
Yeah. It is a good. It
in
is a, because that is the reason I'm taking the subject through practical. Why I should go through this one? Otherwise, theory if I explain like a school or college, na nobody you can't memorize it. Correct, na? Nobody will teach like this one. I am giving the this one because you. I am taking the practical approach. Is it clear?
Okay, yes.
So torque is I into alpha. Please understand. And also Newton times distance R. Okay, Newton time distance means F dot R. Dot I am writing. Please understand.
F dot R. Okay.
Yes.
Because F
Force.
is not basically R is scalar distance. You mean
No.
displacement?
Force is force and like this one. Force
Ah,
is
displacement. You mean? Okay. Okay.
not displacement. I will tell you R is the distance from the. I will explain you. This is not the distance.
Okay, but I'm asking that distance is not is scalar, right? But you're saying that
Okay,
it's not
you are
scalar.
asking too many questions. One second. I will clear all your doubt with one experiment. One experiment only. Just let me go through the very. Okay. Because your doubt is, see, because of you this is topics is new. Okay, one experiment let me draw, just give me one moment time. Okay, this is your nothing but this is your house. House means not house, this is a door of your room. What is this one?
A door.
Door. It is fixed with the wall here.
Yes, yes.
It is rotating also with the this axis. This is called as axis of rotation. X. Correct na? Your door is like this, you are rotating like this one, correct? Is it clear?
Yes, yes.
This axis of rotation you understood. The door is rotating about this axis of rotation. Now you tell me which direction you are force applying. You are applying in this direction force or this direction force. If you apply the, see, if you want, if door is fixed like this, you are applying like this force,
No.
or this way or this way.
Yes, yes, yes.
Why?
Perpendicular.
Why? Why not this way? Force you have to apply.
Because it's not gonna move.
It's not going to move. So particular special direction you have to apply the force. Which direction? From the
Perpendicular?
axis of the rotation to the perpendicular. See this axis of rotation, and you have to take perpendicular direction. This is called R. R is called what? This distance from the axis of rotation. Axis of this is the called R. This is called your F.
So R is going to be also vector?
Yes. See how it is vector. I will tell you. R will be here. Okay. Now if you take the rotation, you can apply your force from here, from the end, from here, from here. What you will feel if you open the door from the just nearby the axis? What you feel? More force is required to open it, and you may not open. You may not be able to open the door if you apply the force very nearer to the.
Very close.
Yes,
to
very
the
close.
axis.
Yes. So R is playing important role or not? Please tell me.
Yes, important.
Important. So what torque you are applying here? R cross F. Sorry, R cross F is there. I have written wrong.
Cross.
Not dot product. I will correct here this one. Just let me just, because I am taking the practical, so I will correct it. Okay, R cross F, not dot product. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now see, now you are telling na that R is a vector. Now you see, in this case, you told na, see, this is the case of R, correct? Here R, this vector. If I apply in the direction of the force in the direction of R, angle between these two is 0 degree or 180 degree. And cross product, what sine theta we are taking? Am I right? Sine 0 is how much?
Sine 0.
0. So R cross F will be how much? 0. Torque
Yes.
will become 0.
0. Okay. Yes, I understand.
So door will open or not?
No.
No.
So torque, how do how do you show it? T?
Torque is not, it is Italian word torque, like this one, ta.
Okay.
It is a Italian, this one. Okay.
It's Latin, I think, no?
Yes.
Latin alphabet.
Yeah. Latin, sorry, not Italian, Latin.
Yes.
Oh, sorry, yeah,
I
I was
understand.
just, please excuse me. Sometimes you are right, so I am wrong. Okay, Latin. So now I've just see, now you have come to very interesting way. So now now your maximum query is answered or not with door example.
Yes, I understand now.
Correct, na? Now see, moment of inertia. You are asking the what is the moment of inertia? Correct, na? Correct. If
Yes.
suppose you are taking a door, is it maybe steel door? It is maybe very steel door. It may be a wooden door. Correct. Which is more easily you can open?
A wooden door.
Wooden door.
Which mass has smaller mass.
Small. So it means moment of inertia depends on two things, mass and the distance. Because if you apply more distance, more easily you can open or not. You told na, yeah.
Yes.
So moment of inertia depends on two things, m and this r square. R square.
Square. But R here is also vector.
Yes, R is here not vector. Here square is there. It is the distance we will take this measurement.
And so what I'm asking is moment of inertia, is it a vector or not?
Moment of inertia is a scalar quantity. Moment of inertia we are comparing with mass. Please understand here.
Yes. Okay. Yes, I understand. Okay.
But torque what is there?
Torque is vector.
Vector. How? Because
Because it's two
R cross F you have
vectors.
no R cross F you remember that vector theory, cross product.
Yes, yes. So two vectors, their
Product, not
product,
scalar product, vector product. You are
vector product.
you remember that we have taken the
Yes, yes, yes. I understand. Vector product is cross, and the scalar product is dot.
yes. And R cross F is equal to how much? Mod of R, mod of F,
Mod of R
sine
on
theta,
sine, and
and
then
one unit
x
vector perpendicular to both.
to both. Yes, yes. Mm-hmm.
Correct na?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So please tell me, is it clear now?
Yeah. So my question is, so relation of torque and force is basically you multiply on R.
Yes. Is it clear?
Yes.
So torque will be producing what? Angular
Torque.
acceleration. Is it clear?
So torque is going to be angular alpha.
Torque is producing now. When you are opening the door, if more force is applied, more speedily door will you open or not?
Yes, yes.
Correct or not? Okay. Force is there. Now come very important thing. Just now we have studied momentum, linear momentum. Please tell me
And
what
a linear momentum is a scalar.
no linear momentum you have taken a direction, perpendicular direction, x direction, y direction.
Yes, 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 yes. That's right. Wait, so linear momentum? No. So which one is? I forgot. There's a one P. P was it? P is.
P is denoted as momentum. Del P is equal to mv. P is the short form of momentum. Instead of
Yes.
writing P,
Yes. So momentum is always vector, right?
yeah.
Okay. So
What
what
about
is
the
this?
angular momentum? Angular momentum
Angular
I
momentum
I omega.
is going to move. Yes. Okay.
I omega. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
Now listen, conservation of momentum. Have you studied? What is the conservation of momentum you have studied? M1 U1 plus M2 U2 is equal to M2 V2 B1. Sorry, M1 B1. Correct?
Yes.
When it
Yes.
is applicable, when there is no external force is there. Please understand, when your car is colliding these two cars, external force is not working.
Yes.
Correct na?
External force is zero. Yes.
External force is work not external force is zero, then only this momentum formula will work. In this case, what formula you will write? I omega 1 plus I2 omega 2, suppose is there. Omega I you will write, huh? I1 omega 1 I. Omega,
Okay. And I2 or
omega,
omega 2i.
yes, is equal to I omega 1 I1. I1 omega 1 F plus I2 omega 2 F. When
Okay.
when there is no external torque.
External force.
Torque, not force.
Torque.
We will talk only torque here, correct na?
Yes. Yes. And just
In rotational. See the one by one comparison. Is it very clear? Two topics I am taking simultaneously, linear, angular, correct na? Now next topics. Please tell me what is the kinetic energy? Energy, Ke. Please.
1 second. I just kinetic energy is 1.5 m on velocity v square.
Here, what about the rotational kinetic energy? It will become rotational kinetic energy.
Uh, okay. It's going to be 1.5 I omega square.
Very good. Correct? if the conservation of kinetic energy will be applied, if suppose they tell, what I will tell here, sorry, here you will take, here you will write half
1.5
m
m1
v
v ui
ui, yeah.
1 square plus 1.5 m2 u2 square is equal to 1.5 m v1 square plus 1.5 m2 v2 square. So here is going to be 1.5
You can
I.
write, you can write on the left side. I will write here complete this.
Yes, yes. 1.5 I omega 1 I square plus 1.5 m2 omega 2 I square. Yeah, it's very long.
But it is very similar. You need not to memorize separately, correct na?
Yes, yes, yes.
So that is the reason why I am teaching comparably, because you need not to memorize at all, correct na? If you understand, you can write anyone if you are remembering, correct na?
Yes, yes.
Now application I will teach you, so that you can this one application, how to apply it, correct na?
Okay, yes, yes.
So this is the, and you kinematics, you write, you want to write me kinematics formula here also apply
Yes,
here.
yes, yes.
Shall I write here?
Yes, yes, let's write.
Okay. Please tell me what you write it here. You three formula you write it.
Okay, 1 second. I have a question. So if you take, so inertia is only like moment of inertia?
Inertia is means it is moment of inertia. There are no moment of inertia is different. Inertia is different.
Ah, okay, so this is what I was confusing. Okay, so inertia is scalar.
Inertia is due to, see, somebody is pushing. Inertia is not allowing to move it. Inertia can take as a mass also.
So it is scalar inertia.
Yeah, inertia.
But moment of inertia is
Also
vector.
scalar.
Moment also scalar. Okay.
Moment of inertia is also scalar.
Okay. So kinematic formula. So for linear. So
You can you write on the board fast or type it here?
yeah.
It is difficult for you.
Writing is gonna be difficult.
Okay.
I can try to type it, but it's
Typing is good.
okay. So I just don't know if it can do like
Okay, leave
V
it.
is equal to.
Leave it.
Yeah, it's just gonna take long. I can tell you like with my words. V is
Yeah.
equal to U
Yeah,
plus
please.
A T.
No, here. I am writing here. You please see here.
Okay.
You just tell me fast. I am writing very fast. You are. Next formula, you please tell me.
So D is equal to UT plus 1.5 AT square.
In this one.
Alpha, 1 second, alpha T. So theta is equal to
Omega I.
omega I on T plus 1.5 alpha on T square.
Yes.
So then distance, and then the last one is V square is equal to U square plus 2A on D. So here is going to be omega final square is equal to omega initial square plus 2 on alpha on theta.
Yes. Very simple. One formula, if you can just you change it. Correct na? So see, this is the comparison. I think two topics we are just compare it. Okay.
So the two topics is basically linear
and
like,
rotational.
Rotation.
Now
Okay.
rotational, so many things is there. Now you comes here. Now we will discuss momentum, angular momentum. Are you clear? I omega. Now I will give some example to show you.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose you are a rider, rider using in the this one turntable, correct na?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, how we are applying the conservation of angular momentum? I am teaching with this example.
Mm-hmm.
How?
Conservation of angular momentum.
Yes, conservation of.
Angular momentum. So
Just
momentum.
you see, it is no need of writing. Just you look here the experiment and just you understand what I am asking. You reply it. Okay. Suppose
Mm-hmm.
no need of, just it is for just for clarity purpose, visual clarification purpose. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose this table is rotating with omega.
Mm-hmm.
It is constant. It is just more rotating. Correct na?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So what happen if I will be, suppose I am standing here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So in this table, it is rotating with me.
Mm-hmm.
Omega. So what is the initial momentum here? Initial
Initial
angular momentum
initial angular momentum is
is
I, moment
I.
of inertia
No, no,
on.
no, no, no. 1 second. Why? 1 second. I of Rajesh. Suppose this is Rajesh. I
Okay.
R, not
Mm-hmm.
mass. Please understand. Mine is
Okay.
moment of
I R.
inertia. Is it
Mm-hmm.
clear?
Mm-hmm.
Mine,
Wait. Yes. Yes. Okay. Mm-hmm.
I will not take mass of myself. What I
Yes, I understand.
correct na? I
Yes.
I have I R I have written here I Rajesh. Is it clear na?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Plus I am rotating with the same speed what this table is rotating.
Omega.
Means same na? Am I?
Same. Yes.
So what is my angular momentum here? I R into omega. Correct?
Yes.
As only I am rotating, disk is also
No.
rotating.
This table also.
So
I table
I table
on
omega.
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 Mm-hmm.
Is it clear now?
Okay.
It is
Yes.
rotating. I am enjoying with my table. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Now, suddenly you came here.
Okay.
What happened to that then? Please tell me. This is your initial angular momentum. Correct na? Now suddenly you jump on the table without disturbing anybody. What happens now? Is it speed the same speed or something
No,
different?
no, no, no. Speed is gonna be smaller.
Is smaller. We speed not angular velocity you should tell.
Uh-huh.
Angular
So
velocity. So what
angular velocity.
now
Hmm?
what is the, please tell me what will be the final, how you will find the
So it's going to be I R
r
on
omega
velocity
f is the final
F plus I T
I
on
t
omega
omega f
final. They all move with the same velocity,
plus
angular
I
velocity.
anesthesia and
Uh-huh.
omega f. Is it clear?
Mhm.
You understood? See how I applied the.
Yes, I understand. But my question is like, so, so the thing is that there was two bodies, but then there's three bodies, but it's still going to be this rule of conservation of momentum.
In the initial momentum what we have did, one car is moving here,
Mm-hmm.
one car is at rest. If
Okay.
is strike together, what we are taking, this car momentum is zero, this one is moving, then
Yes.
finally we started also moving or not?
Yes. Yes.
Same case you should see, think over here. You have
Uh-huh.
just suddenly jumped here.
Okay, I understand. So you just, so there's a collision in different way, like
Different, no, no, here
mm-hmm.
collision is not there, just you suddenly means came in, correct now?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
you, any doubt is there, please tell me.
No, no, I understand. I understand. I just think I need to see some questions, so I can
You
understand
forget
how
about
to
the
use it.
question. Once you understand the theory, you will question any type of questions. You can do it. I am teaching in lessons. Right now, you don't bring the questions in your mind. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Please see my experiment first.
Mm-hmm.
How we are going to apply it. Correct, na?
Mm-hmm.
Now, this is we can write the conservation of angular momentum.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
One more example I will give you for better understanding. Correct?
Mm-hmm. Can I just quickly run to restroom?
Yeah, yeah. Please,
Just
please,
two
please,
minutes.
please,
Okay.
please.
One sec. I'll just I can keep the call if you just
No, no,
I'm
no,
just
no.
gonna
You
come.
just go now. On the such that there is no loss of rotational energy. Then energy is also conserved.
So how is it called when the energy is conserved in
Rotational
angular?
and rotational kinetic energy will be the same in its rotational kinetic energy. Rotational.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
Rotational kinetic energy final.
But it's gonna work only when it's basically like.
There is no loss of energy. The
Mm-hmm.
people then question makers will be tell that loss of
Mm-hmm.
energy is there or not.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Correct?
Okay.
Correct,
Yes.
na? Or
Yes.
otherwise you have to find out. First you have to apply the conservation of momentum. Whether energy loss or not loss, conservation of
Mm-hmm.
angular momentum will be applied. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So in that one you can find the velocity and you can compare. Like one question I have given, na, you have to see whether kinetic energy is conserved or not. In the
Yes. Yes. I saw. Yes.
so in the similar way you can find omega I, omega whatever it is
Yes.
not, no,
Yes.
and then you can see, you can judge yourself whether conservation of kinetic energy will work or not.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Is it clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Next, rotational kinetic energy is over. Now I think almost everything is over except moment of inertia. See, this is the very good things I have explained you. This
Mm-hmm.
table is very very important.
Mm-hmm. Moment. So moment of inertia is it a different topic?
No, it is a part of this topic only.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay.
Now how to calculate, see we are using a moment of inertia from the beginning of the rotational motion. We should know now how to calculate the
Mm-hmm.
how to calculate the moment of inertia.
Moment of inertia. Mm-hmm.
Correct, na?
Mm-hmm.
So moment of inertia, first things you have understood that it depends on the axis of rotation distance. Am I right or
Mm-hmm.
not?
Mm-hmm.
suppose
Yes.
suppose your door is very very big, then you will say the moment of inertia is
Is bigger.
bigger. Correct, na?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Now the door is not fixed here, it is a fixed here where it is like just like a metro railway station is there, na? Half is open, half is center. See, the
Mm-hmm.
axis of rotation has been changed. Have you seen this type of
Okay.
door, na?
Yes. Yes.
Earlier you
Wait.
are in how,
So this door is opening to the sides like this?
now it is
Uh-huh.
rotating, correct or not? This one.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So in this case or previous case, suppose mass is same, is the same force will be applied or lesser or more force
No,
will?
no, no, different force.
Different force. Why?
Yes, because axis is changed.
Axis is changed. What does it
Yes.
mean?
So
What is the
R is
change?
going to be smaller. R.
Whatever it may be, either is smaller or bigger, that depends on the calculations, correct na? But basically our intention is to each moment of inertia I will change. Am I right?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
I is change. So what is I then? We are discussing I. What is I? See, first of all, I required one axis of rotation,
Mm-hmm.
correct na? Let us say this is the axis of rotation.
Mm-hmm.
If a teeny mass means we are telling that is the y, because here dimension is concentrated on very small, because we can say the center of mass is approximately same, correct na? So
Mm-hmm.
what is the moment of inertia of this mass is nothing but distance times r square. Mass, this is the r. Okay, so this
Mm-hmm.
axis is rotate. If mass is rotating about this axis, then
Mm-hmm.
its I becomes mr square.
Mm-hmm.
Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Now suppose our object is made of two object. What is this one? This is the A and B. Suppose we have joined two masses with the help of the rod.
Mm-hmm.
Please listen, see here.
Mm-hmm.
What I did, one this is the rod, correct na? One mass
Mm-hmm.
is this mobile and another mass is this mobile, correct? I have joined. I
Mm-hmm.
want to combine mass together, rotate it like this one. You understood this
Mm-hmm.
experiment you have seen?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay.
It is similar, very similar to this one, A and B,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
correct? In this case, what will be the mass? Moment of
A
inertia.
moment of inertia, so it's going to be my M A on R A
I am A
plus
square.
R A square plus B M B on R L B square.
Yes. If the mass is very small, correct na?
Mm-hmm.
Is it clear?
Okay. Yes.
Suppose if this is a sphere of big,
Mm-hmm.
some mass is here, some mass is here. You cannot say this one, this is the, it is, you cannot take like this formula, correct na? Until
So
unless, see,
if difference of mass is very big,
yeah.
right?
Now suppose this is, I will tell you, see, this is, suppose this is a rod. What? Thin rod.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Thin rod. I want to rotate it with this axis. Which axis? Axis passing through its center.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
This is my, suppose this is a x axis. Now I will take the coordinate axis for my help, means just for easy purpose. What I'm rotating with this x axis and y axis. This is the x axis and y.
Mm-hmm. Why are you putting from both sides X X Y Y?
Okay, what is the harm if I put, suppose?
No, I'm just asking. Is it like on purpose like that?
Yes, some purpose is there to calculate the mass.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
let us say this is your length is how much? L length is there.
Mm-hmm.
How much?
L. Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is the O is your axis.
Mm-hmm.
Which way it is rotating?
I don't know. To the right. I
No. Which axis? About which axis it is
which
rotating?
axis?
Whether it is rotate right or left, or it is a
About
y axis.
both Y
About
axis.
y axis, correct na?
Uh-huh.
So our target is find I y. See, depends on why I have written I y, because axis of rotation is y. It is very
Mm-hmm.
important moment of
Mm-hmm.
inertia.
Mm-hmm. I understand.
Correct na? I, Y, Y. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
Understood? What
Mm-hmm.
is, can I write here? M mass of the rod. Let us say mass of the rod is S. Mass of rod is equal to L. Can I write ml square?
Why is
Mom.
it equal to L? M? You mean mass of the rod is equal to M? You mean?
Oh, sorry, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You are great. Good, good.
Mm-hmm.
Keep it. Sometimes I just writing, na? Okay.
No, it's okay. Okay, ML square.
Hmm. Can I write IL? You will say then.
No.
No,
L divided on 2 square.
no, that is also wrong. Okay, you are
Uh-huh. So
telling.
how you find
Ah,
how you find
yes. How you will find ML? You have told.
wait. Okay. No, this is wrong. This is a you need different
You
if
have
why
to first. You listen now. Now I will tell you. Okay, you want to give some suggestion? You think over.
no,
Yeah, let
because
me.
you're rotating over y axis,
Huh.
right?
Okay.
Y axis. No, I don't know actually. I mean, you can
For
just
you, I shall I take L is there, L by 2 is there, and then again further I will take L by 4 here. Then I will take L by 4 here. Shall I take like this one? I is equal to M L by 4 whole square. Can I take like this?
no. It depends where you're going to be applying the.
No, it is told
Uh,
na here I am just applying the center. It is passing through the center.
uh-huh.
Ayush, power supply gone. Ayush, close the phone. Fan close karo. Just one second. Power supply has gone. I have to close the light. Otherwise, inverter will die.
Power supply gone. Oh, okay. Is it rain?
Yes, it is raining.
Yeah, I don't know how to do this.
Yes, I will tell you. Okay, see, in the tinny case, I told na, when small case is there, we can take the mr square. That you are aware na?
Yes, when the small object.
Yes, a small of that. What I will do? Please tell me mass is m, length is l. Mass per unit length is how much? Mass per unit length. Please tell me. M divided by M divided by L.
Okay, yes.
Because L is the total M is the total mass, L is the length. Because why I am taking? Because I have to take the small pieces of this rod. I cannot take the.
Okay, I understand. Yes, I understand. You want to take very small piece. So.
Yes, I want to take very small piece of this rod
Mm-hmm.
in the direction of X. What direction?
X.
X. Suppose I have taken one piece, yellow color piece. You are seeing
Yes.
what is the distance? X distance. And what is the length of these pieces? Dx.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Okay, this
Dx. Okay.
what is the mass per unit length? I have taken m by l. So what is the piece? This piece mass. What is the mass of this small piece?
M on L.
M on l and multiply by length of this piece because it
Dx.
dx.
M divided on L dx.
Yes. Can I write mass of the elementary piece? Mass of elementary. Elementary means any at randomly I have taken. Okay. Please tell me what I've said. M by L dx. Is it clear?
Yes. Uh-huh. So you cannot calculate moment of inertia of a big object. You can only take small.
Small only formula is given for small only.
Okay.
Okay. Now
Mm-hmm.
what I have to take? This is the mass is at what distance I have taken elementary mass? X distance. Correct na?
Mm-hmm.
So mi of elementary mass.
Mm-hmm. Can you just wait 1 second?
Yeah,
One
yeah.
second.
Please, please.
Brandon, can you come here? No, look here. Just carefully. Just
I can't see my glasses.
just take like a. I just have a class right now. I don't finish it. Take like a napkin or something. Hello.
Yeah.
So a moment of inertia of elementary mass
Is equal to how much? Please tell
is
me.
going to be
M by
ml dx
d
multiply on.
x
Uh,
square, because this mass we have taken at what distance? You see here, x distance.
uh-huh.
X distance we have taken now for the rotation, for the axis of rotation.
Mm-hmm.
No, no, you make it clear whether you are convinced or not. You are agreed with me or not.
Yes, yes. I understand. The x is this distance to that small piece that we took
From the where? X is the
from
distance.
the
Axis of
y-axis
from the axis
rotation.
of rotation.
Rotation. Mm-hmm.
Okay, good.
Wait, but a moment of inertia of elementary mass, like moment of inertia is mass on r square.
Yes, we will write mi into
But why did you? You need to. Okay, m divide on l dx on x square.
yes. This is
Okay.
the small moment of inertia. Na? Can I write di? Small piece, small moment of inertia. Correct or not?
Hmm. Mm-hmm.
So di is equal to how much? Please tell me. M by L x square dx.
Mm.
Is it clear?
Okay. Yes. Yes.
Now what I will do? Please tell me. For getting the whole moment of inertia,
You need to.
you need
You need to.
to apply math integration.
Yes. Yes. Integration
It is
of
came in
this.
your mind.
Yes. Yes.
Good.
Integration. Yes. Of this. But how can you? You just do integration of both, right?
Yes. So it will become 0 to I, because mass is the I.
Mm-hmm.
Correct na? What we are
Mm-hmm.
finding? Now this side, what is the limit? X will be varies from where to where? You see here, look here. X is vary from
Zero.
minus L
Minus.
by 2 to plus L by 2. Am I right or not? Why?
Uh,
Because you are told now why you have taken this axis. Now you look here how much it is important.
mm-hmm,
You
mm-hmm.
just now you told na ki why you have taken x
Yes.
axis.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
So please tell me what is the moment of inertia. Now you calculate. You know that integration. Now I have given them
So
sufficient knowledge.
di, so it's going to be I equal to
M is the constant. M you take out. L is take out. X square. What is the integration of x square?
x cubed divided on 3
And what is the limit?
minus L divided on 2 and then 2L divided on 2.
Please do the notebook and then tell me. You do the calculation and then tell me what is the equal to I. I will see whether you have did correctly or not.
Okay.
Write clearly. I want to see in the camera. So you have to show me like this one.
Okay. X L divided on 2 cube. So it's going to be L, L, 1 second, 8 plus 8, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, I mean, I don't know, I got m divided on L. On L, L is going to be removed here. One L is going to be removed.
I want to see your calculation. Please put your notebook
Okay,
after
so,
completion.
okay. I don't know, let me see, I need to go to Skype. 1 second. Can you see?
Hold on. 1 second. 1 second. I'm seeing. Very good. Please hold for 1 second. Yeah, L by
Yes,
2.
yes.
Don't move it. 1 second. L by 2 whole cube minus. This is the minus L2 whole cube plus. Okay, this is the L cube by L cube by 8. L cube you have written, na? L cube by 8 plus L cube by
Yes,
8.
yes.
Okay, ML by 3 and L cube by 8. 1 second. L cube by 8. So ML square by how much you have written?
ML squared divided on 12.
Oh, very good.
Uh,
See, you have did it.
but
See,
how do you know the answer? Like,
what?
this is like a standard for like formula or
Yes,
something?
yes. See, you have written here ultimately what you have told ML square by 2. Everything was wrong or not? Something new has come or not? Please tell me.
Yes, yes, yes.
In the
Yeah,
beginning, you told ML square. No, ML2
yes.
whole square, ML square by 4. Nothing. Correct, na?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So, very interesting, na?
Mm-hmm.
ML square by 12.
Mm-hmm.
Correct? Now, this is the axis of rotation. Now, suppose axis of rotation, I will shift here. You have to try yourself in your house.
Mm-hmm.
Try whatever this one is. Suppose axis of rotation, I will change here.
Mm-hmm. How you change?
See, suppose this y axis I will shift here. I want to rotate this one end like this one.
Okay.
In this case, how I am rotating?
In this case,
Hmm. You are having some scale or something? You tell me. Scale you are having in your nearby?
no.
No. Ruler?
I have, yeah, ruler. I have
Yes. How you are rotating? Please show me.
like this,
Yes. Now what I am trying to tell you?
like this.
Yes. I want to. In that case, what you will do? Can you draw the diagram?
Yes. On where in my book?
No. Here on. Okay. You draw the diagram on the book. Okay. It is easy.
Okay.
Just draw the two lines and then you tell me how you will do.
Mm-hmm. So it's L, distance L. So like this. Wait 1 second. I need to see.
This whole L you have taken one side. Am I right? Good.
Yes.
Good. What will be the limit of integrations then in this case?
From L to 0.
0 to L.
From 0 to L.
Yes. Everything will remain same.
Yes.
Can you calculate it fast?
Yes. 1 second.
Just here only you have to change it.
Yes, only the limit I have to change.
See the magic how you are just immediately you can able to do this one now.
0 L. So M L. And so x0 is going to be 0. L cubed divided on 3.
Yes.
So ML square divided on 3.
Yes, you are right.
Okay.
See, immediately you have did it. Is you tell me, have you apply your mind immediately? Na, you applied na, or my suggestion, my help is Means
Yes.
you have did your own, or you with my help you have did. Think means what is the, just let me judge whether you applied your own, or this
Uh,
ML3 you have got it, you have did your own or with the help of mine. I'm just asking one.
I mean, I did, I think, on my
Oh
own. I mean,
yes, if you have did your own, very nice, intelligent. Okay.
uh-huh, uh-huh.
Now one important questions. Which is more? This one is more or this one is more? Please tell me.
Which one is more? The
Yeah.
second one.
Second one is more. Can you mark it?
Yeah.
Can you mark it? This one is more.
Okay. 1 second. This one. This one.
This one. So for rotating, more force is required. Which one more force is required? The smaller one or
For
the?
for rotating like this one piece.
Yes, more torque is required. Am I right?
Yes, because here I think the force is going to be working like
No, no, no,
is
no.
going
From
to.
this one only, na. Just you see na here. These two questions. See,
Mm-hmm.
torque is equal to how much? I times alpha, and this is
Mm-hmm.
equal to I times alpha, or you
Mm-hmm.
can say I F into R. Correct, na? F into R. Okay. Though we cannot compare this one. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
you understood that I, if more torque is required. If I is less, more, because torque is equal to I into alpha. If same alpha I want to rotate, if whose
Mm-hmm.
more I is there, more torque is required or not?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Is it clear or not? Not.
Yes, I understand. Yeah, that's clear.
For the same angular acceleration, I will be
Mm-hmm.
more, torque will be more. I will be
Mm-hmm.
less, torque will be less.
Darker glass. Mm-hmm.
Torque is nothing but F into R. So ultimately force is
Yes.
correct na?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now you can ask your doubt anything. Now class is over for today's class is over. Today's
Mm-hmm.
what are the things you have learned? If you summarize 1 or 2 minutes, let us do.
What did you ask me? I didn't understand.
I am asking what are the things you have learned today?
What I learned
Just,
today,
just,
I learned
just
about
some.
linear comparison of linear and angular, like velocity and acceleration, mass and moment of inertia, force and torque,
Hmm.
moment, momentum, angular moment, linear momentum, angular momentum, and kinetic energy, linear and rotational kinetic energy, and then how the kinetic formulas work in angular,
And conservation of
conservation of
angular
angular
moment,
momentum, and
conservation of
conservation of
rotational kinetic energy.
rotational kinetic energy, and